Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna look at the latest Gemini 2.0 Flash API model. We can test how fast this API and how reliable it will be. So for this demo use case, I have set up a basic workflow here. Here the first thing is a how may I help you, the question block, then 1 second a typing delay. Then we are we in the action block we have the Google Gemini action. Then we are printing the response. So this is inside this block we have a trained or we have given a specific data for a specific business use case. For this we are going to use a demo Airbnb property FAQ model. So this what are questions, I think around 30 questions here. The same thing we have provided inside this as a system prompt or a business data for this model, for this demo use case. We're gonna ask few questions from this to the chatbot, and let's see how fast it will be responding to it. I'm gonna trigger the bot here. So let's ask something very basic. So let's start with how do I check into the property, this question. Let's ask how do I check in. So you can see how fast the response was. It didn't take much delay, and we can also cross check the output that we got with the data we have here. You can see this is the same data. Now let's ask something else. Let's go with the Wi-Fi password. You can see we got the response. That was also pretty quick. Now let's ask something a little bigger, like here, how can I use the coffee machine? So let's ask that. We already got the response here, so which is really fast. You can see how reliable it is and how fast it is. So it doesn't take much time because all this information we already trained or we already given to the AI block here. So from here it is searching or it is trying to understand what is the user question, and here this is the question which I asked. It understood what question I asked. From here it quickly created the response. So you can see we got the response, how fast we got the reply back. So this will be a very good use case for if you are dealing FAQs. For you want to build an AI FAQ trained chatbot for your business. This will be a really very good use case. If you want to test it out, what I can let me show you how you can do it. So you can set up a flow or you can create a subflow, and you can first set up a question block, then you can add a typing delay, then inside the action block go to integration. You will find the Google Gemini block. You can click on it and you can click on edit action. Here you need to provide the prompt. So you can give like this assistant, and you can provide the data, the business data that you want to provide here, or how the information about your business, how the AI should be responding to it. The data you can type here, then after that user, and you can pass the input from the user. So in our case we were using the last test input because whatever the user is typing, it will be saved in this system variable. This is what we were using, and if you want you can enable this to remember the conversation. That way this AI can respond to user queries back and forth, remembering the conversation. Then you can adjust the token, how much token you want. You can adjust the token that you want. That is also you can do it here. First everything is same. You can type something either, you can test it out. So you can see here this is where you are getting the response. You can map it, and you can map into your variable, that whatever variable that you want. So you can create a variable. If you don't have any variable, you can create it. After creating it, you need to add it. It will be added here, then save it. So then by default the model will be Gemini 1.5 Flash. If you want a specific model, you need to provide the model name here, then only it will be selected. So more information you can also check it out from here, related to documentation, related to API. All information is already here. So that's it for the video. This was more like we wanted to show you how reliable the Gemini 2.0 API model, and currently it only support text based inputs. In future probably audio or image or this kind of models will also be supported. And that's it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and just test it out and see how good it is, or if you have any feedback, let us know. Thank you.